Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do a temperature reading for you guys on stovetop and warming oven temperatures, so you have an idea of what to expect while cooking. So basically, to get this oven up to about 250-260 degrees does take about 2 hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours, depending on the type of fuel that you're burning and how steadily you're feeding the stove. So there is definitely a warm up process to that. With the stovetop, if you're cooking up, like maybe some soup or preheating something, then you can easily get the cooktop up to a temperature of 300 plus degrees, probably within a 20-minute time frame. So right now I want to show you the turn down rate on the overall combustion system on this model here. And you can actually access it from the top. And it's easiest just if you have like a hot pad. So we're completely closed. I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings just around the stove right now. Corner of the cooktop's at 397, center's at 455. Far griddle's sitting at 366, 455 on the top side panel, 383 at the low side panel, 590 on the top. On this model, when you're facing the front of the stove, the right hand side of the stove is definitely going to be hotter overall on the side panel, and you can really feel the heat kicking off. Inside these convection air holes on the back of the warming oven are 341 degrees, so kicking out quite a bit of heat at that 340 degree temperature. Before I get started, I want to give you guys a temperature reading. So yeah, I'm sitting at the lowest temperature here is going to be 377 in this corner of the stove. Center cook plate's at 478 and 394. If you guys enjoy these videos, if they're helpful for you guys as you're shopping for cook stoves, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Sharing my video with a friend helps me out so much. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.